If you're looking for a really good home vacuum, this one's amazing on all different kinds of surfaces. So I'll show you on a rug, but also on tile. One button to push it on. You can hear it's not too loud. Goes over tile nicely. You get that light in there as well. This can clean your tile and hardwood. And then if we take it over here, clean your carpets too. So super simple. It has a low profile, so it can get underneath furniture, which is wonderful, especially if you have little kids. You know, they live crumbs everywhere, or you have pets and that pet fur goes everywhere. So super simple to use. And then what's also cool is how many different ways you can use this in the different attachments. So check this out. You can put on the long attachment, which is perfect for doing your ceilings or hard to reach places. Also great for stairs. Fits perfectly on a stair. Also comes with this attachment that has the little brush feature. And then you can also use this smaller attachment, take off the long pole, and this is so perfect to use on furniture. Easily collects any dirt or debris. And then when you're all done, it's super easy to empty the little tank. So easy, kind of makes cleaning fun.